nangyari kay Heart since nag-yes siya sa proposal ni Cheese. She's still the same beautiful person inside and out, but better, you know.
Actually, she's even smiling more and more, and you can see that she's not stressed and really looking forward to the big day.
And nakita pa namin yung gown, maybe.
Basta bilang mga bridesmaids ni Heart, nandito kami para suportahan siya at samahan siya sa kanyang journey.
Hindi naman kami nag-aalala dahil alam namin aalagaan ni Cheese ng mabuti si Heart at mamahalin ni Heart si Cheese. So that's all we need to know really.
One more week, ikakasal na ako. I cannot believe it.
Lahat kami dito sa Saso. Lahat kami dito sa Sunday All-Stars in the mood. In the mood for love. Yes! Syempre, dahil malapit ang Valentine's Day at malapit na rin ikasal si Love Marie Pauco. Yeah, so Heart, ano ba yung here? Ano ba yung feeling mo? What's your feeling? Are you excited, nervous? I mean, in 1 week, iba na yung status mo, status Mary.
Ako, pero exciting kasi syempre, this is it. Magpapakasalan ko na aking dream guy.
Oh my gosh, isang linggo na lang.
Happy.
Eto, Heart, why did you decide to have 2 ceremonies sa Balisin, tapos dito sa Manila meron?
Syempre, dun din kami sa Balisin ikakasal dahil special place namin ever since before nag-umpisa kami. Tapos, dahil hindi rin lahat pwede pumunta doon, naisipan namin na gumawa din ng isa pang reception na dito para lahat talaga ng friends namin makapunta.
Kamusta naman kayo ni Cheese? Paano yung mga preparations?
Yes.
Parang siya yung bride, dahil siya yung talagang stress
Siya yung
na stress.
punong abala.
Oo, siya talaga yung punong abala. Nakakatawa. Saya-saya.
Well, of course, Heart, we wish you the best.
Thank you.
I'm sure masayang-masaya kami lahat para sa'yo. And of course, we'd like to thank Sarah Christophers for joining us here. May message ka ba
Special
kay
program.
Heart?
Nagaling pa
Anything for
Australia.
Heart.
Oh, thank you, Sarah. Love you.
And advance happy birthday na
Ay,
din.
thank
Kay Lovie
you.
din.
Oh, yeah. Lovie!
Happy
11
birthday.
na birthday.
Yes.